a picture of me?
No, I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Well, don't show anyone that.
Except the whole internet.
Please don't. Maybe this whole thing is the waterfall. It's just all dry.
Well, I doubt it. It would be a cool waterfall, though. You wouldn't be able to see it.
That's getting close.
Yeah, we're on the green trail now.
That little cove is so pretty.
Oh, it
With the
does.
trees I still wear.
Hmm.
Look at that tree stump. Look how curved it is.
The hell is this waterfall?
I think I hear it.
I think so too. There's the water down there.
Really?
Yeah. Careful right here. This is a little tricky.
Oh, look at me.
Okay.
How did you do it?
I stepped down onto this thing right here. I just go this way. Oh, that is cool! Oh man!
It is a little.
You coming?
It's really steep and twisty.
Oh yeah. You want me to come up and help?
Not like you. Yeah. No, don't come help, but I mean like, I can't just run down a
Yeah.
side.
Well, you'll get used to it. Get your forest legs.
Don't look at me! I feel like I'm on a Buddha rock. It looks so Asian.
Oh, that is cool. What a Buddha rock.
Now I'm gonna be pissed for life.
Oh no. Careful here. This is probably wet and slippery.
Oh, what if I fall inside?
No, it's not very slippery. But here.
They're like 5 leaf clovers.
5
6 leaf! I can't even count.
A snake! Sam, it's a snake!
Is it a real one?
Yeah, it was a little gardener
I
snake.
mean, is it a deadly one?
No, it's a garter snake.
Oh,
Come
you
here,
gotta
little
bring it
guy.
down.
Come here. Oh.
I'm sorry, I probably scared him. You just freaked me out. When
He
I
like fell onto you.
Really?
Yeah.
Ew!
Ew, I thought you liked
I
snakes.
do, but not when I don't know they're there. But not when they're falling on me and I don't know if they're poisonous or not.
Oh man, where'd you go? Little snake. Oh man, it was so cool. You in here?
Use this pointer to bring him out. It must be like up under the
I saw him go back into this little corner.
I'm sorry. Like, when
okay.
I think snake, I think of a rattlesnake.
No. If it was a deadly snake, I would have said something more than, oh look, a snake. I'd be like, shit, Sam, watch out. There's a deadly fucking snake right next to you. Probably not. You gotta be very careful. It's kind of slippery.